Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can create beautiful presentations, documents, web pages, and social media content in seconds with AI. Today, we'll show you how to turn a Notion page into a fully functional website. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to make your Notion page accessible for Gamma to import it. Open your Notion page. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Select the Publish tab and click Publish. Copy your public Notion URL. From your Gamma dashboard, click Create with AI. There are 3 main ways of bringing your ideas to life with Gamma: generating with AI, pasting in text, and importing a file or URL. In this case, select Import File or URL, paste your public Notion link, and click Continue. Once your Notion page is imported, Gamma scans it to extract the content and turn it into an outline. Here, in the prompt editor, you can choose Freeform to let AI distribute the content across your web page automatically, Card by Card to manually assign specific text to each section. Additionally, adjust text length, define your audience, tone, and language. Enhance your website with visuals by uploading your own images, sourcing them from the web, or generating illustrations using AI. Make your website look stellar with just one click by choosing from a wide range of professionally designed themes. If you want to apply your own brand, create and apply a custom theme using your colors, fonts, and logo. Watch our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Once you've selected your look, click Generate and watch your website come to life in seconds. Gamma takes care of the heavy lifting, but you're always in control. You can customize your site further by adding components like text layouts, images, videos, buttons, and interactive elements. To make edits almost as fast as you think, use Gamma's AI to rewrite, reformat, or refine your content and visuals instantly. Just describe what you want, and Gamma does the rest. To learn more about how to edit with AI, check out our dedicated video. You can expand your website by adding more pages. To do this, click on the title of the current page and look for the plus button. You can add a page with AI by following the same steps as before. Or you can create a blank page to start from scratch. To help visitors navigate your website easily, customize your toolbar by adding different tabs and linking them to the pages or specific sections you've created. Additionally, make your website truly yours by adding your logo and a custom call to action. These small details make your site feel complete and on brand. When you're ready, click Publish to make your site live. You'll get a unique Gamma URL that you can share immediately. To add a professional touch, go to Domain Settings and connect your own domain. Or purchase one directly from Gamma with no technical setup required. And that's it. You've just turned a Notion page into a stunning website using AI. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas into the universe. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tips and tutorials.